There's one thing I always liked about Japan was the mama and papa shops. They've got a little room downstairs as their business and they live there. I'm doing the same with cars and bikes and exporting. All kinds of different things. Every day I do something different. All them years of hard work by working for myself, it got to the point where I could have nice toys and turn it into a hobby and a job at the same time. It's an interesting job. Well, I wouldn't call it a job, it's a lifestyle. So now I've got the Bugatti sat in the garage there. I got a McDonald's in it. It's just a fun thing to be able to do. I was the first foreigner to register a Bugatti in Japan, a Type 35 Grand Prix car on the road. I think there's only a handful of people in Japan who actually know how to work on a Grand Prix car. When you're driving along, people look at you, they smile, they look at the car, they smile, and they're just happy to see the car. There's something about a vintage car. I mean, it's not the speed. It's not about, I've got the latest thing. When you're driving Austin 7 a vintage car, you're driving the car. You feel every bump in the road, the brakes, everything, you've got to control it. But with a modern car, the car's driving you. You just sat there, you press the buttons, you steer it, everything's done by computer. You can't go out and buy a brand new Ferrari and start drilling holes in the dashboard or saying, I don't like that clock, I'm going to change that clock. You just can't do it. But with old cars, you can do that. The journey is the thing you're doing when you're going somewhere. It's not the destination, it's a journey. You're enjoying going somewhere. If you can get yourself into a situation where you can enjoy what you're doing for work and you can make money at the same time, then life's good.